Hello, guys. Are you ready to take control of your life and become the best version of yourself? In this video, I will share 3 practical steps to build confidence, value your time, and develop empowering habits that will transform your life forever. So, let's dive in. Let's talk about confidence, something everyone wants, but few people truly understand how to build. The first step is simple: start small and understand the power of small wins. Confidence comes from action, not from perfection. Think about this. Every time you accomplish a small goal, you are sending yourself a message: I can do this. So, set tiny, achievable goals and celebrate your wins. And don't forget, confidence doesn't mean you won't fail. It means you are willing to try, learn, and grow. Remember, failure is not the opposite of confidence, it's the part of process. Focus is a superpower that can turn your dreams into reality. But staying focused is not always easy in a world full of distractions. You have to cut the distractions and focus entirely on becoming the best version of yourself. Most people fail to do that because our mind easily distracted from dopamine. You have to take the full control and transform yourself. Transformation takes time. So, don't show off your achievements until your transformation is complete. Recognizing your worth, start by setting boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain you or don't align with your goals. Your time and energy are precious, so use them wisely and invest in yourself. This could mean dedicated time to a hobby, exercising, or even reading a book that inspires you. You set the tone for others how to treat you. Never settle for less than you deserve. Prioritize yourself and your goals and value your time like a pro. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and comment below with the one tip you are going to try today. And remember, the best version of you starts now.